I'm waking up currently in Mexico. I'm actually on a little bit of a solo vacation. It's an accidental solo vacation. I was in a different country and I was flying from there to Mexico. I thought I had a healed sinus infection and so I was feeling good, but I was like, my ears are a little like stuffed, like I couldn't hear perfectly, but I just figured everything was fine. It was a whole thing. Anyway, long story short, I ruptured my eardrums, both sides, especially my left was really swollen. So then the doctors in Mexico came to see me and they were like, you are not flying home. I was here with my mom, my dad, all my best friends, and everybody had to go back to work and life. So now I'm still here. I have my antibiotics that I'm on for my ears and just congestion and everything. I hate antibiotics. I'm not an advocate of taking antibiotics, but I'm getting dressed for the day. I'm going on a walk with Milo. I just wanted to show you guys how cute the Mad Happy Juicy collaboration is. I did the photo shoot for it and got to be the face for the campaign. I'll like put some images from it on the screen. But this one tracksuit I wear every day on my walks. I'm so obsessed with the waistband. I've worn the blue one 3 times this week. I wear the black one and I wear a size small. I used to wear little juicy tracksuits when I was a kid, so it's very nostalgic. But yeah, Milo and I are going for a little walk. I've kind of started packing. I'm going on a ski trip this weekend with my best friend, so I will bring you guys. I'm only going for the weekend, but it's so annoying. Ski clothes are so big, you have to check a bag. Wanna go for a walk? Oh my god, look how he was looking at me. That was so cute. Can you go for a walk? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go. ski today. We have a really fun night planned because Earth, Wind and Fire is performing, which is so random, but that's like one of my favorite bands ever. It's -2 degrees out. We're seeing Earth, Wind and Fire. I'm finally home. I feel like this vlog, I've been traveling pretty much the whole time. I just want to address something really quickly because, as most of you know, I'm born and raised in LA. I love this city and this place so much, and the fires have caused so much tragedy. I'm donating 100% of the AdSense from this video. Since this is my first video of 2025, I feel like this is a good way to motivate. So that's the plan. I got these label organizers actually on Amazon. They were like pre-made. I'll put a link to them. I just decided to label some of the jars. So this is kind of like breakfast cereal, and then pasta, sauce, that type of thing. Then some snacks, and then dessert kind of snacks. I'm gonna get one more of these to put that in. And then rice, breadcrumbs, all that jazz. And then I also did a deep clean of the fridge and got rid of a lot of expired things. So I'm probably forgetting stuff, but I'm gonna slowly build it back up. This is what's in the fridge. I don't know if anybody cares about this. On my first night back, I spent a good portion of my night putting things in the fridge and organizing and all that stuff. I did like a big grocery order when I landed. This is it so far. I want to give you a little haul of some things I bought. I realized I don't own a button-up shirt, which I just feel is strange. So I got this off The Real Real. It's Jill Sanders. So my goal for the new year is to just clean out most of my closet and then just invest in pieces and just have like a staple wardrobe. This is Proenza, and I got this off The Real Real, and it still has its tag. It's kind of like a tunic because it's long. And then I kind of went insane ordering stuff from Helsa, which I think might be my new favorite brand. I got this really nice set. So this is the top. It has matching pants. I also find that this company runs large. I did everything in an extra, extra small, and I'm normally never an extra, extra small. It has a big button up. They didn't have extra, extra small in this. It's a nightgown. So pretty. This was final sale, so hopefully it's cute. Then this top, I really love this color. It's this beautiful silk maxi dress. Just stunning. And then it comes with this big white kind of neck scarf that drapes all the way down to your feet. I am going to try some of this on for you. I still think an extra, extra small maybe would have worked a little bit more. It's gorgeous nonetheless, and I will be keeping it. This dress is stunning. I have no words. The only thing I'm nervous about is how loose and low this is. This is insanely beautiful. Okay, please ignore I'm wearing this with sweatpants, so I'm trying to cut it off as best I can. I think the straps need to come in a smidge. I love this color as well. Okay, this is the button up from Jill Sanders. There's also a little button under here so you can like hold this down, which I think is really nice. Okay, this is the Proenza top. It fits really well. Good classic staple. I love this set. The pants are a little long, which you can't see. I love that it has a big cover up. The arms are a little long. A little. Yeah, this is what the whole set is. I personally wouldn't wear this out. This is like a pajama around the house set, I think. It's been hours since we last spoke. I worked out, so I'm glad I got that done. After I filmed that haul, I just left everything in a pile and didn't clean my closet. I did a little bit of my closet yesterday, which is probably why I didn't feel like I needed to do as much today, but that's no excuse. So I'm going to clean my closet now, at least a little bit. I'm doing section by section. I'm not trying to overwhelm myself because then I'll quit. And yeah. I showered and I changed and I put the same shirt back on. I've been living in this top. It's clean, so I don't want to hear it. I'll put a link to it down below, along with everything I showed in my haul.